So I'm going to show you how to turn on maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So let's say you want to take this to the shop for a repair and you don't want to delete your data and you don't want the technician to access your data. So you enable maintenance mode. So to do that, go into settings and then under settings, scroll down to device care, tap on that. And then under device care, if you scroll to the bottom, you will see maintenance mode. So you tap on that and then it tells you everything about maintenance mode. And then you simply need to go ahead and tap on turn on. Now you can choose whether you want to do a backup first, just in case anything goes wrong. You can go and do a cloud backup or an external storage backup just to back up everything on your phone. And then tap on turn on, and that's gonna restart your phone. It's gonna require your lock screen password. So once you enter the password, the phone will now create a log, basically just keeping a log of everything that's happened on your phone, and then it's gonna restart into maintenance mode. So just be patient and allow this process. And once it restarts, you'll notice it's just a normal phone with only the essential apps and the default apps, and none of them are going to be signed into your account. You can see when you go to messages, it's a brand new messages app, and there's really nothing personal. You can see the call log is completely empty and it says maintenance mode. So now you can give it to your technician and they can just test whatever they want to test without accessing your personal data. Now, once they're done, you can get out of maintenance mode by going through the same process. So you can either start here and then tap here to exit in the notifications panel. But in case that is swiped away accidentally or for one reason or another, you can simply go to back to the settings page. But since it's here, then you just tap here and then it's going to ask you to exit maintenance mode. Tap on restart. It's going to require your password again to exit maintenance mode. So make sure you don't give this password to the technician because they won't need it with maintenance mode. So your phone is going to restart back into normal mode with all your data. So that is basically how to enter and exit maintenance mode on the Z Fold 8. Thanks for watching. Good luck.